2 scarves, but only using one hand. So here we go. What we need to do, the starting point is exactly the same as when we juggled 3 scarves, holding 2 in one hand, the clenched fist and the tips of the fingers. And all we're aiming is we're not going to use this hand, we're going to put this hand behind our back and we're going to juggle these 2, but only using one hand. Now how we're going to do this is 2 different patterns. The first pattern is an outward circle. The next pattern is a side by side. Have fun, throw them in the air. Look how slow the timing is. Whether you go round is a little bit quicker, side by side a little bit slower. But the thing with juggling is have fun, enjoy it. Good luck.